Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys we going to the air show. Yeah, we go to air show in the base. There's RJ.
Base.
Where you go, RJ?
Base.
The air show in the base. Dahil mayroong air show today guys, Saturday and Sunday. At saka pupunta kami
And we are late. I missed the whole air show.
Haven't started the air show yet.
It's 8 o'clock.
dahil 2 o'clock mag-start at saka 12 what na 1 o'clock na hana
That's like
1:16.
1:16 na 2 p.m. start, so tamang tama, mayroon pang time punta doon. So let's go guys, see you there. Hi guys, almost here guys. We here now in the gate of air base. Here it is. Here now in the base, but so far away to park. Oh my goodness, bumpy. Maybe so long to walk, and daddy have bad ankle. Look at that car, have a lot. Look at that there guys, the people, ang daming tao. Line up until to the bus. No, the bus. Parang isa lang bus dyan. Nagpa-parking yun. Ang taas ng pila. People walking now. Start walking. Yehey, here's the bus. Here's the bus, a lot of people. Oh, here honey. Parking lot here. Guys, we here now. We parking now. Here's RJ. Here. We go to the bus to ride the bus. I'm ready now guys. I have a big hat because ang init dito. I'm ready. Have my chair. Here we go to the show now guys. The air show. It's better. Only few people here. Here the bus. Okay guys, we're here now walking to the flight line in the air show. Here's RJ. Got the people here. Have a lot of people. Careful, RJ. Is cannot see. It's so far away. There is a lot of bus. RJ, don't close to the bus. Aircraft. Up there, guys. You check up your back. You ride like that, Hannah? Maybe you can ride like that. So far away to walk guys. Oh my goodness. Daddy tired now. His foot is hurt. What a lot in here. There you go. Guys, the air show. Ooh, look at that. Airplane. In here. Only me alone because daddy and RJ sit down in there. Punta tayo doon. Oh. Okay guys, we done na. At that aircraft. See the crowd here. Okay guys, RJ want to look at the airplane, the jet. It's nice. Here guys, see here. Hill Air Force Base. Oh, look at this RJ. Nice. $20. How much is that? 10.
These are 20.
Yeah.
We're sold out of Thunderbirds, so.
The other one. Yeah.
Yeah, so I want this.
Okay. Look at this airplane. Peace. Got the airplane, guys. Here we go. Here we go guys, we walking again, we go to the bus. It's far away to walk. We're tired now. Bus stop. Here guys, we stop here guys. We're resting. Woo. Daming tao. So hot. 90.
110
Oh, 110 temperature.
in the car.
Oh my god.
Inside the car.
Inside the car. 110. Super hot. Here's the pineapple, guys. Woo. You enjoy the air show, RJ? RJ?
Thunderbirds are the best part.
Yeah, it's nice. So, that's it guys. Snacks muna tayo. Kain tayo ng pineapple.
The bus pulled in. That's it.
Oh, that.
Sour. Sour the pineapple.
I'm not hungry.
I'm hungry, honey.
Okay, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. This guy's pineapple.
Okay, I'll find waffle.
Okay guys, that's it for now guys. Our video. Bye bye.